Where is your left hand? In your left hand, touch the number 1. In your right hand, touch the number 3. 3! You listen to me. In your right foot, touch the number no, number 5. In your left foot, touch the number 6.
Seriously?
Yes, I'm serious. In your left hand, touch the number 0.
My left hand?
Yes. In your right hand, touch the number 7.
7? What's the 7?
Left hands, Althea. Left hands.
Seriously?
Left hands. Left hands. Okay. In your right hands, touch the number 0. Right hands. Okay. In your right foot, touch the number 8.
Right foot. Touch my number 8.
Where's number 8?
Seriously? I cannot!
You can try it. Yeah, got it. In your left hand, touch the number 4.
4?
4. Number 4. Left hands. Left hands. In your right hand, touch the number 1.
4.
Ay, hindi na alam ang left and right. Okay. Wala na.
Slide na ako.
Game over.